Something big is brewing in the world of action cameras, and this time it's not coming from GoPro. DJI, the name that redefined drones and stabilization tech, is about to shake up the camera industry once again with its upcoming DJI Osmo Action 6. The leaks are everywhere, the rumors are wild, and the expectations are sky high. And if even half of what we're hearing turns out to be true, this could be the most advanced, most cinematic, and most intelligent action camera ever created. So grab your seat, because in this video, we're diving deep into every major leak, every hidden feature, every possible design tweak, and even the rumored release date and price that's already got the internet buzzing. Let's begin. Over the last few months, multiple trusted leakers, including those who accurately predicted DJI's Pocket 3 and Mini 4 Pro, have hinted that the Osmo Action 6 will feature a massive 1-inch CMOS sensor, a serious leap from its predecessor. And that's not just a spec bump, and it's a revolution. A sensor that large inside a compact, rugged body changes everything about how this camera sees the world. We're talking better dynamic range, richer colors, and insane low-light performance that could make even sunset or night footage look cinematic. Leaks claim the new sensor will deliver over 13.5 stops of dynamic range, meaning you'll see every subtle tone between the darkest shadow and the brightest highlight. No more crushed blacks or blown skies, and just pure, natural, detail-rich video that feels alive. And what's even more impressive? Sources say DJI is optimizing this new sensor with their advanced AI image processing engine, something they've developed from their drone line, so expect deeper contrast, smarter color balance, and cleaner images straight out of the camera. This means less editing, more creating. But let's talk video, because this is where things get seriously wild. According to the latest leaks, the DJI Osmo Action 6 will shoot 8K at 30 frames per second, 5.3K at 60 frames, and even 4K at 120 frames per second for stunning slow-motion sequences. Just imagine that for a second. Smooth 120 FPS 4K footage coming out of something that fits in your pocket. That's professional-level performance that could rival dedicated cinema cameras. And if that wasn't enough, DJI is reportedly adding support for 10-bit color depth and D-Log-M profiles, which means creators will get more flexibility in post-production to fine-tune colors, tweak highlights, or achieve that cinematic teal and orange look so many vloggers love. Combine that with the company's signature Rocksteady 4.0 stabilization system, and you've got video so stable it looks like it was shot on a gimbal, except it wasn't. Even more exciting, there's a new layer of AI horizon leveling rumored to keep your footage perfectly balanced no matter how much you twist, turn, or flip. Early testers claim it can correct a full 360-degree rotation, meaning no matter what happens during your shot, the horizon line stays perfectly level. It's literally impossible to ruin your framing. Now, let's talk about design, because the leaks suggest that DJI is finally giving the Action 6 a slight redesign. It's not a huge change visually, but functionally it's smarter. The body might be a little larger, but that's to fit the new sensor and an improved cooling system. DJI reportedly added a new heat dissipation layer inside the body, preventing overheating during 8K recording sessions, something GoPro users have been complaining about for years. The camera will also feature a new front and rear display system with better brightness, improved color accuracy, and possibly a 120Hz refresh rate for smoother menu navigation. The touchscreen experience is rumored to be faster, more intuitive, and finally lag-free, thanks to DJI's new UI framework. And yes, the camera is expected to be waterproof up to 20 meters without needing an external case, which is crazy when you think about how compact this thing still is. The leaks don't stop there. Another feature that's turning heads is dual storage. Insiders are saying that the Osmo Action 6 will come with 47GB of internal storage, plus the standard micro SD slot, so even if you forget your SD card on a shoot, you're still covered. That's a huge quality of life improvement, especially for travelers and vloggers. And what about battery life? DJI is reportedly introducing a new Extreme Battery 2.0, around 1950 mAh, that promises up to 4 hours of continuous 4K recording and super-fast USB-C charging. Some leaks even hint at support for wireless charging through a new magnetic base accessory. That means fewer cables, less hassle, and more time capturing the moment. Now, one of the most exciting rumors, and one that's never been done before on an action cam, is smartwatch integration. Yeah, you heard that right. The Osmo Action 6 might pair directly with your Apple Watch or Garmin, turning it into a live remote control for the camera. You could start and stop recording, switch modes, or even preview shots from your wrist. But that's not all. Reports suggest it'll also be able to overlay real-time data from your watch into your video, like heart rate, speed, altitude, and even temperature. Imagine mountain biking footage that shows your actual heart rate spike as you hit the downhill trail, or diving clips that display your depth and pressure in real time. That's not just video anymore. That's storytelling with context. Now let's step back and think about what this means. DJI isn't just chasing GoPro anymore. They're building a system. Between the Pocket 3, the mini drones, and now the rumored Action 6, DJI is creating a connected ecosystem for creators, where every device talks to the other. Imagine using your DJI drone for aerial shots, then switching to your Action 6 for ground footage, all synced perfectly in the DJI Mimo app. The workflow becomes seamless. That's what creators want. And let's not forget about the AI-assisted editing tools DJI has been testing. Future updates might even allow the camera to auto-select your best clips, stabilize them, color correct them, and create a ready-to-share short with music, all inside the app. That's where the future of content creation is heading. Frictionless, fast, and smart. Now, what about price? Leaks have been all over the place, but the most trusted sources indicate a range between $429 and $499. If DJI can actually pack all these features into a sub-$500 device, GoPro's going to have a serious problem. Even if they price it near $499, it would still offer more tech, better durability, and longer battery life than most competitors. And knowing DJI, they'll probably release a few bundles. One with accessories, one for vlogging setups, and one adventure pack with mounts and batteries. As for the release date, most reports are pointing toward October 24th, 2025, with pre-orders starting that same week and shipments beginning in early November. Multiple leakers on Reddit and Weibo have already hinted that the packaging and marketing materials are ready, meaning DJI is just waiting for the perfect moment to announce it. And if DJI's previous product cycles are anything to go by, the company loves October launches. It's when the tech world is paying attention, and right before the holiday shopping season kicks in. Smart timing, but let's keep it real. These are still leaks. Until DJI officially unveils the Osmo Action 6, take everything with a pinch of salt. Still, the consistency across multiple trusted sources makes this leak cycle one of the strongest we've seen in years. The 1-inch sensor, 8K recording, dual storage, improved cooling, and smartwatch integration all point to a device that's not just evolutionary, it's revolutionary. DJI isn't playing safe anymore. They're pushing the boundaries of what's possible in a camera that fits in your hand. Now imagine this. You're standing on a cliff at sunset, wind blowing, camera in hand. You hit record. The light looks perfect. The sky burns orange, the ocean glows blue, and every color pops with cinematic beauty. The footage stays smooth no matter how much you move, the sound is crystal clear, and your battery still has hours left. That's the kind of experience DJI is trying to create, where technology disappears and creativity takes over. The Osmo Action 6 could very well be the camera that finally bridges the gap between convenience and professional-grade storytelling. It's not just about specs anymore. It's about the story, the emotion, and the feeling behind every frame, and that's why the hype is real. If these rumors hold true, DJI might not just release another action cam. They could redefine what an action cam is, a creative tool that captures not just what you see, but how it feels. Whether you're a filmmaker, traveler, vlogger, or just someone who loves capturing life, this could be the device that